So we've done a lot of different videos on the aiding system for the changes, but I will go through it really quick here again because I just don't think you can hear it enough times, okay? So when we always talk about like half halting, you know, 3 things have to happen for a good flying change. Number 1, a super good canter, really good quality jump, you know, that there's a good 3 beat, you know, the integrity of the canter is quite good. Number 2, the horse has to be available to your half halt, okay? Because the half halt has to first come before the jump of the leg, because that's the 3rd part. The horse has to be really responsive to your new outside, I'll say leg, but honestly you can even think about some horses need a little quick foot, some horses need a little quick spur. Horses that are learning the changes, I use the whip, and it's not hard, and it's not like a beating, you know, like, you know, he needs to do it. It's just a little quick, like a little quick tap. Darby, of course, does not need that because he knows the changes, but I'm sure we'll get his brother, who's also owned, not his actual brother, but he's got the same owner, Khaki and Dean. And Denali's just learning the changes, so I'm sure we'll get him in this academy, and I'm sure you'll enjoy watching the process because it can be a little bit messy sometimes, and that's okay. So with the timing, we're going to first start with the 4-time Tempis. And whenever you're going to do sequence changes, I want you to think about, if you're going to do 4-time Tempis, you only count to 3. If you're going to do 3-time Tempis, you only count to 2. If you're going to do 2-time Tempis, you only count to 1. And of course the 1-time Tempis, it happens so quick, you like can hardly really count at all. So because we have taught the horse walk to canter, collect, 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 walk, right? Like we have done that, you know, since the beginning of their collection time and their canter. So now we're going to go collect, collect, forward, ask for the change. Okay, and so since we've done that every time in the canter, that's actually the same exact timing of the 4-time Tempis, okay? So I'll just do a little change, 1 to the left and 1 to the right, and just go through that little quick timing, and then we'll work into the Tempis. Gotta get a nice little shoulder 4 here. Get a good canter. I'm going to do 1 circle. Make him wait. He doesn't fall down. I want him tall in his shoulders, so I have to sit up and really make sure that he doesn't kind of push through my hands. Good boy. I'm just going to do like 2 little half diagonals. Uphill, uphill, up, 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 up. Good. Collect, collect, forward, ask. Good boy.